In today's video, I'll show you how to record your Canva presentation using Zoom so you can share polished, professional presentations anytime. First, get your Canva presentation ready and click Present. This opens your slides in a clean view, perfect for focusing on your content. Next, switch to Presenter view. Here you can see speaker notes, a timer, and upcoming slides, helping you stay organized and confident while presenting. Once ready, hit Present again to go full screen. Now open Zoom and choose Share Screen. You can either share your entire screen or just the Canva window for a distraction-free experience. Make sure your microphone and webcam are working properly. When everything is set, hit Zoom's record button. Speak naturally, engage your audience, and let your slides shine. When you're done, stop the recording and save it in an accessible location. Now, your Canva presentation is ready to share with colleagues, students, or your audience anytime. With this simple process, you can combine Canva's design power with Zoom's recording capabilities to create professional, high-quality presentations. Happy presenting!